G'day guys, today I'm going to be talking about some of the most commonly misunderstood and underrated products in the industry, chucks and ball bearing nuts. Simply put, chucks are tool holders that connect the spindle to the tool. And for the most part, that's all people really know. But understanding these tools and choosing the right accessories for them can make all the difference to the longevity of your tools and the quality of the finished product. Today I'll be talking about two of the most commonly used chucks in the industry. The HSK 63F chuck is a steep taper tool holder designed for high precision routing. The 1 to 10 taper shank must be connected to a compatible spindle receivers. The HSK receiver incorporates segmented collets which expand radially under drawbar pressure to bear against the inner wall of the shank. This causes firm metal-to-metal contact as well as mating the shank's flange with the receiver. The ISO chuck is a non-stick tool holder with a 7 to 24 taper. ISO 30 receivers clamp down and pull on the stud during pressure against the outer wall of the chuck. The taper allows it to be tight and grip as the chuck is pulled further into the receiver, as well as centering the tool in relation to the rotation of the router motor. Balanced rotation is critical when operating at speeds up to 24,000 RPM. When purchasing a chuck, an important production affecting decision is whether to use a standard nut or a ball bearing nut. A ball bearing nut tightens easier and doesn't damage your collets. Without ball bearings, the nut rubs on the top of the collet. This torsion creates distortion in the collet, which increases the vibration. The vibration affects the concentricity of the tool, which in turn gives you a poorer finish on your product, increases the wear and tear on your machine, and reduces the tool life as well. Thanks guys, I hope that was informative. If you have any more questions or want to talk tools, feel free to contact us at info@paneltoolsonline.com.au. Cheers.